Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, September 7, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 26, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.891. In this period the stock has had a loss of -2.76%. This is an average return of -0.34% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ ETF after gaining 2.02%. The QQQ ETF price gained 2.02% on the last trading day, Wednesday, September 7, 2022, rising from $293.05 to $298.97. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 2.29% from a day low at $293.27 to a day high of $299.99. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -4.82% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -7 million shares and in total, 49 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.73 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $269.28. Right now the price is 26.85%, or $109.74, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The ETF lies in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $293.66 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 12.46% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 10.46% and 28.97%. The 12-month trend indicates a -24.53% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -37.52% and -16.90%. This equals a price between $186.80 and $248.46 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. There are mixed signals in the ETF today. The QQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $313.28. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $298.76. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, September 6, 2022, and so far it has risen 2.02%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $288.84, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $6.72 between high and low, or 2.29%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.4%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.91. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $299.40. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $288.84, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 8th, we expect QQQ to open down -$1.56 and start trading at $297.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.